Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to do a trade review for an Apple day trade I was in this morning. It's been a while since I did my last trade review. I've been taking a little break from trading and just responsibilities in general. So I'm trying to get back into the mix of things, and this is my first day trade in a while. So let's go to the trade. First of all, here is Apple on the daily chart. What you can see here is, Apple's been in a massive downtrend since it peaked in last September. But I just want to focus on the recent areas. So, if you look at kind of this move here, actually not that move. If you look at this move here, and if you take the retracement from that move, you take the retracement from that move, then you have a 50% level is pretty much right at the 21. See here, 50% right at the 21. Let me get rid of that line. And another thing you have is kind of have this little trend line area which shows this kind of these pivot swing points, and it's pretty much right near where Apple is, or right near the 21. So I see this as a potential short opportunity, because I mean, you have a pull back into declining EMAs at 50% retracement near a previous swing low area. So that kind of gave me a short bias in Apple, even though it's been pretty strong the last 3 days. I didn't get into the trade until too late. A short around here would have been great, since it's right at that level with the EMAs declining, but I didn't do it until down here around this area, and once it broke that low, and it initially started working, and then it pulled back, and the trade failed, and I ultimately took a loss. I wasn't in. I only had 100 shares, but I took a 1 point. I think I lost $147, so almost a $1.50 stop. But I don't know. I just thought with everything I just said about the daily chart, that it had a potential for continuation to the downside, especially since the SPYs were kind of trading around this area and breaking down at the same time. So that's what gave me that idea. Ultimately, of course, it didn't work, but I thought it was an okay trade. Maybe not the best, but still worth mentioning. Okay, that's all for this trade. I'll talk to you guys soon.